everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to log in Discord with QR code. So to do that, you need to open the Google browser on your PC and click open a Discord web page. So open a new tab on the browser and there type in discord.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of Discord. Once you open the official web page, you need to tap on login over here at the right side. Click that. This will open the Discord login page on the web browser. So the only way you can log in into the Discord with QR is in web browser. In phone, you will need to get logged in by providing the actual details, that is email, phone number and password. So here, to log in into the Discord with the QR code, you will need to open the phone application, the Discord application on your mobile device. So once you open the Discord application on your mobile device, you need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. Once you are at your profile page, you need to scroll down and tap on scan QR code. Tap that. It will direct you to the camera section. Now you need to face this camera straight to the QR code on your desktop browser. You move your phone straight to the QR code and the login details will be collected. Are you trying to log in on the computer? Only scan QR code that taken directly from your browser. Never use a code sent to you by another user. So basically you need to use the QR code that is directly sent from your browser. Here you need to tap on yes, log me in. Right after you do that, you will be logged in into the web browser via QR code. So this is how you can log in into the Discord with QR code. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.